I made the snare myself in Serum with some external plugins, and it sounds like this. Here's the Serum patch. This is just a sine wave. You can fuck around with band minus to make it sound a bit different. Pretty important thing, you need to add some noise. I have this noise stereo. Yeah, you can basically try a lot of noises for your snare tail. Just make sure it really sounds good and it has a nice high end. Okay, so when it comes to LFO1, this bit right here, it goes to level of the sine wave and the gain on this EQ right here, which I'm going to explain later. This LFO4 right here goes to plus 12, this chorus pitch. So, you know, the snare starts an octave higher and then it goes down just as this shape right here. Just make sure to make it really like fast. It's 132 rate right here on envelope mode. Then when it comes to LFO2, it goes to level of noise, so it's like completely different LFO shape. LFO3 goes to drive and mix on the hard clip distortion, and that's it when it comes to LFOs. Yeah, there's also this filter which cuts just a tiny bit of highs on this sine wave. When it comes to this EQ, this is basically a mid-frequency boost. So around 2000, maybe 1000, something like that. It just gives it nice punch. And then there's also this high shelf to make this sound nicer on the high end, because it's pretty dull without this EQ. Let me show you how it sounds without it. And with EQ. Okay, and that's it when it comes to Serum. Then outside of Serum there is this EQ. Yeah, cutting lows on the 107 Hz. Then we have this compressor, very light compressor, just controlling a bit of dynamics right here. Then imager, boosting the stereo image on the mids and highs. Ozone Spiff. So this is basically a transient shaper with multi-band, like really precise transient shaping. So it's like super punchy with this one. But make sure if you add a transient shaper to bring the volume down after adding this super loud transient, because you don't want to clip too much. So it's like almost minus 8 dB because of this transient boost on this Spiff. Okay, and then there is Serum. Only just this reverb on this snare, so it's pretty dry. Just a tiny bit of space, but I don't need much more space for this tune. Then we have this Izotope exciter. Really amazing plugin. I'm adding tube. It goes mainly to this mids and higher mids. And the last thing in this chain is standard clipper, which, as you can see right here, clips the snare nicely. Okay guys, I hope you liked this tutorial. Have a nice day or evening or whatever the fuck